So in the last video I had talked about the string being waxed. So I have a piece of beeswax which is off of a larger block. Smells great. Reminds me of when I was doing encaustic paintings. And so this is a linen string or cord. Linen is preferable because of its long, strong fibers. But what you do is you want to run the linen through the wax several times, and this does a couple things. One, it lubricates the cord, so it makes it easier to sew with, and it passes through the holes and around the cords a lot easier. And the other reason you do this is because of this. Being one continuous string, it has a tendency to tangle. Especially when you're pulling it through and through and through, it kind of twists and coils. So if you get it nice and waxed up, it helps prevent it from doing that. The third thing it does is it helps the cord last longer because it's preserved a bit. Nice wax seal. Alright, so I've pulled it through here about 3 times. I will probably, as I'm sewing the book, this book has 15 selections of 4 folios each. Be a total of, can you tell me? 220, 240. My math isn't too great in my head. So there's a lot of paper it's got to go through. Several times it's got to go through cords, around cords. All right, so this is waxing the thread.